Hello, learner. Hope you learn from this session and warm welcome at Learning Platform Chat and Site. Today's session is related with class first maths and from their syllabus is our topic shape and patterns. If you want, then spell out with me SHAPES. It's a symbol of and shapes. First one is shapes. It's a symbol of and. Okay, which is we write A and D. And next one is a PATTERNS. 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 Now I'm going to decoding this point. First one shape. Second point different type of shape. Third one properties of shapes. Next point is identify your shapes. After that the last one point is pattern. First point of our session is shape. So read it with me. Make oblique draw something into a fixed form. Okay, I'm just decoding each the word is here. First of all, just started from a fixed. Okay, because of that, it's more clear for your vision. Okay, it's a fixed and another one is a form. Okay, fixed that sense, not changeable. Aren't not change, not change. And form means there. Look. Okay, there looks clear. Okay, both the word is clear here. First one is a fixed, that sense not change, and form there looks. Okay, and there look in the sense, how do you be identify that you are the boys are the student of that the particular the school? How do you identify? From here, we will fill it in a saffron color. And next one, which color is here? Okay, it's a white. Wheat. Maybe you remember all the color of our flag because of that. From at a morning, you just look at all the color around everywhere. So the mid one is a white, and the last one is a green. It's a rough sketch of our flag. Okay, the last one color is green, and each color have their the own significance sense for us. Okay, and that the deal with in the last session. And the mid one is a blue whale. Okay, and they have a, how many spokes? They have a 24 spokes is there. Okay, it's a rough sketch of our flag. And your ma'am of your class, especially the drawing subjects, give you that the work. You draw a flag in your drawing notebook. Now think about that. How do you know that, ma'am? Yes, I know that. I have already idea about it. Okay, so from here, just remember that, bacha, we can't put the saffron color in a last one point or a last one column. Okay, we can't fill it in a last one section, and that the green color we never, just wait. Okay, it's we never put that the green color on a upper one side. Because of that, if we do that, it's a totally wrong. It's a totally wrong, and we are just destroy, not to destroy, we are just represent a wrong flag. We represent a wrong flag. Okay, because of that, they our flag have a fixed form. Our flag have a fixed form. We can't change it all. Okay, we can't put here a green color and not put here a saffron color. Okay, that says each and every object which is around you or anything which is around us or around you, we can't change them. Like you can't change your book into a notebook. We can't change a notebook into a book. We not change a math notebook into Hindi notebook, or we can't change a Hindi notebook into a English notebook. English notebook have their four columns. Okay, it's a one. Okay. Look it look it again. So English have a four columns. It's a four row. Sorry, it's a four rows. Okay, and Hindi one have just a two. Hindi all the notebook, and the math have like that column. Can it will the change? No, because of that, each notebook have their own form. Their own form. Hope so. All the points are the clear to you. Okay. So again, I'm just repeat that the particular thing is that a fixed form of any object known as a shape. Okay. A fixed form, a fixed form of any object known as a shape. A fixed form, again I repeat it, a fixed form of any object known as a shape. Here another one point is different type of shape. Different type of shape. What the mean of different? Type means a kind, and what the mean of the different? Different means unlike. Different, we can say it a unlike. Unlike. Clear? Unlike that, the means not equal. Unlike means not equal. Here are four images. Okay, first one, second one, third one, and a fourth one shape. Here a fourth shape. Okay, if you look at the first one, this is like that. Okay, and the second one is like that. I'm just again draw it for your mind makeup. Next one is like that. Third one is like this, and a last one is like this. Okay, they are a different type of shapes. That is, they have their own fixed form. They have their own fixed form. You can't be draw that the first one not as a second one. We can't draw a third one as a fourth one. Okay, it not be the possible to change into that one form. How do we just draw it? Any possibility? No, there is no any possibility which convert that the shape into this form. That the form into this form. Clear? So form is means that everyone have a fixed form. Okay, and that the fixed form is considered as a shape. So first one we considered as a okay. Before going to told you about the first one, just remember that a shape are divided into two parts. Shape are divided into a two parts. First one is a plane shape. Okay. Uh, Wait. I'm just only told to you about it. First one, because of that, it's not a proper space here to write it. So first one and second part. So shape is divided into a two parts. First part and the second part. Okay. Are the first type are the second type. So first part is known as a plane shape. First type of the shape known as a plane shape. And second one is a solid shape. We are just again, not again, I'm just explain it on a next page. The second point is from here. Okay. So now I'm going to explain this one. The first part is a plane shape. Plane shape is a first one, that the first one is our the plane shape. Okay, first of all just erase all here which we write to. Okay, so first one is our rectangle. Okay, just look at here, it's a R E C, it's a one part, and another one part is a T A N G L all are the happen due to the highlighter. Okay, so we just break out in a two parts. First one is a REC, next one is a TANGLE, rectangle. So sorry, it's a tangle, so it's a rec and a tangle. We considered as a both in a one frame is rectangle. Clear? Okay, next one part is SQUARE, is a square. We considered as told is a square. Clear? It's a QU. It's a pronounced as a that the Q is pronounced as a K. So it's a square. Clear? It's not easy to break out in her. two parts. So pronounce it as a square. Square. Clear? Next one is a triangle. Repeat it with me. It's a TRI as a first part and a ANGLE is a angle. So in a group we called it a rectangle. We call it a rectangle. And the last one is our circle. Is a CIR and the next one is a CLE. Okay, so we call it a cir than the cul. It's a circle. Clear? Hope so all the points are the clear. Okay, so in a plane shape, we considered as a four shape. First one is a rectangle, second one is a square, third one is a triangle, fourth one is a square. Clear? Yes, definitely you got it. All the points from here. So next one point is our the second part, which is a remain there. First one part of a shape is a plane shape. Second one is a solid shape. It's considered as a solid shape. Okay. So first one is images look like that. Okay. We call it a cylinder. It's a C. It's a C. Then all are the silent than a lender. It's a cylinder. Next one is a cube. Third one is our cuboid. It's a cuboid. Third one is a cuboid. Look at here. It's a first, it's a second, it's a third one, okay, it's a fourth one, and the last one is our the fifth one. Okay. So first one is our the cylinder, second one is a cube, third one is a cuboid, fourth one is a sphere, fourth one is a sphere, and fifth one is a cone. Okay. Why they are considered as a solid in the plane shape? It all are the deal to the class fourth and the class fifth. It's started from a class 2 little bit the touch of there. Okay, but in a class first just you have recognized this the symbol when you look at it around you. Property. Property. What the mean of the property? Do you know have an idea? Yes, you have a little bit the idea. Property that the sense rough sketch for your mind is a quality. Okay, QUALITY. It's a quality. Property that means a quality. Behalf of that the quality we can be the considered just a separate out of one image from another one. Okay. Okay, before that going to about know that these is structure and that one the symbol, just remember the look at here is that we have to just take a stick which has a small size or small, and take a not about the size, I'm just the told to you in the last of that the all the plane shape told you about a size. So take a long one and a short one. Okay, take a two stick which is a small, a small, and the take a two one which is a long. Clear? Okay. How do we arrange for making that the structure? We have just the arrange it in that way. First of all, just take a Just take a, don't look at the anywhere, just look at to here. First of all, just arrange the green one in that way. Okay. First of all, just draw a first green line, and after that, take a some distance between them, and again just take another one stick. Okay. And just after that, attach there the corner with a, attach that the end of it a second small stick. Okay. Another one, it's the end of a green stick, so attach here a small stick which is in your red color. Clear? Okay. So that the green one is a long stick. So long stick known as a long sides. Okay. Why we call it a sides? It's for a both one, both the green stick. Okay. And the red one is known as a short side, sides. Okay. All are the word is helpful for you to understand about the plane shapes. So that's why just give you the all concentration to here, not to the anywhere. Just focus it on my word and also of these the words. Clear? So green one is a known as a long sides and a red one known as a short sides. And after that, a point. It's a point. It's a point where the both are attached. Green one with the red. So a point where the green one is attached with a red one is known as a corner. It's known as a corner. So green attach again with a red one. So it's known as a corner. Here again a red attached with a green one. So it's known as a corner. Here again that the red attached with a green one. So it's known as a corner. So long side is a how many? That since how many long stick is here? Just change again color for you. So how many long side is here? Are two because of the two long sticks. As you know, yes. And short is again as you know that it's a two short sides. Clear? Very good. And it's a corner. So how many corner is here? First point is here attached, so first corner. Second stick is attached to here, so second. Third one stick is attached to here is the third one, and the fourth stick is attached to here is the fourth one. Clear? So it's when we attach the four stick, two red one and the two green one, when we attach it, it's make a shape or draw a shape, a fixed shape, which is known as a box. जिसे आप क्या बोलते हो? We call it a box. So that's why that the rectangle is known as a box shape. Okay. I'm just explain these the point is here. I'm not explain it again. So remember that the long side, long stick known as a long side, short stick known as a short side, and where the both are attached, red and a green one, we known as a corner. Clear? So erase it from here, and now we are properly talk about properties of which image? First one. So first one image we considered as a rectangle. Pronunciation is over before it. So look at there the property. Its first property is it has a two long side. So long side is a color with the green. So they have a long side like that one, a long side. And another one property is red. It has a two short side. It has a two short sides. Two short sides. First one is a and a second one is a. Okay. Two short sides. Okay. After that, look at the next one point is it has a four corner. How many corner? Four corner. As you know that where the red and the green one attaches a corner. So first corner is here, second corner is here, third corner is here, and the last one is a four corner is here. Okay. First corner, second corner, third corner, and a fourth corner. Hope so. All the points are the clear because of you would give all the concentration on my words. That's why it's a clear to you. Okay. The property means a quality. On the behalf of we are just separate out shapes. Okay. Because of that, each shapes have their the own quality or the property. Like about a rectangle, they have a long side, they have a short side, they have a four corner. Okay. I'm just remove it and now the again take another one shape which is a square. Okay, which is a square. Okay, before going to again the next one shape, just remember a rectangle examples. Okay, and one more thing is that shape are a smaller or the bigger. Okay, shape are a smaller or the bigger like that. Shape may be like that. Okay, the shapes are the rectangle is like that, are like this. Okay, it both are the known as a rectangle. Because of that, just there are a size are different. What is the size? I just uh, explain it in the further the last one the page. Okay, so size is a different, like it's a small, you can be the say it your own word is a small and that one is a big or a long. It's a bigger long. So, okay, but the but both are the rectangle. Clear? When you enter at your school, you you first look on a blackboard. Okay, which is like that. Okay, and the second one is your ID card, school ID card, where the right there the name, your the father name, your school name, your the class, your age, and with your the little one photos is here. So their your photo is here. Okay, in that the yellow box. And the next one is your the school door or your room doors is next one. Okay, after that is our the special day of ours is a Independence Day. It's a national flag. There the shape is also similar with the rectangle. Okay, how is that? It's a long side here and a short one side is a here. So our national flag have a same shape of a rectangle. Okay, and what the one more points is got it from here. We got it that a shape have a different size. A small one, long are the big one, and a a small one, and again a small one. Okay. Do you have a doubt? Not at all, na? It was a long side and it is a short side. Okay. Again, on a board is the long side, it's a short side. Clear? Okay. So move on the next shape. Okay, our national flag is also known as a tricolor. All other point are on our last page. So what you have to do again for the next shape, take a same small four stick, okay, and just arrange them same as a first one. First is the upper, then the next one is after some distance, and attach a next one to the last the end of both sticks. Okay. So you again find a box shape. Again find a box shape, but there are not any long side and the short side. They all the sides are equal. Okay. That one, that one, that one, uh, that one. The all the sides are equal, not as a previous shape like a long side. Both are the long side. Then after is a both are both are a long side, and after that a short side. Okay, there is not the happened like that. All the sides are equal. Okay, and same as here we got it that the all point where the two sticks, red one attach, red one attach, red one attach, and the red one attach. So we got it the how many corner again here? So because of that, the both the red one is one red one stick is attached with the another the red one stick, and we got it the how many corner is there? Is the four corners is here. Okay. Hope so you got it all the points. Don't say that, ma'am. It's take a too time, take a too much time. Because of that, the good things is take a time. It's the easy way to just over it within that the 20 or the 25 minutes, but you can't understand all the concept which is related from the class fourth. It's for the helpful for the class second, class third, class fourth, and from the fifth. Okay. So understand the each point which make your concept more clear in your mind. So next point is that is square. Okay, next point is square. First point is rectangle and second point is square. Okay, so square have a all sides are equal. First of all, just look at the first properties of it. It has a four sides. It has a four side, which I told to you four side. That the sense we use a four stick which have a small size. Okay, so that's why their all sides are equal. Okay, their all sides are equal. Next point is that they are all equal in the length. They are all equal in the length. Equal means, as you know that equal means a number are equal. Number are equal. When you add like a 2 plus 3, the equal number after that 5 and here a 5. That sense you can be just say it like in the case of the number like 2 and a 2. In your one hand is a 2 chocolate and the another one hand is again a 2 chocolates. So both hand are equal chocolates. So equal that the sense where the number is a same. Equal in it means a same. Okay, S-A-M-E same. Okay, in a length we call it a length means their size. Length means their size. So they have a all equal in a length. Okay, all equal in the length. I can explain it, but it's more lengthy for you. Length at the sense if it's a 2 centimeter, okay, so it is also that the 2 centimeter and it is also in a 2 centimeter and the last one is also in a 2 cm. It's a centimeter. Okay, so we call it a length. That sense when you take a same size of the sticks, so they have a same length. Okay, if you take the all the stick is a 2 centimeter, we got it a square of a 2 centimeter. Hope it's clear to you. Just remove the all the point from here. And the last one point of the square properties is they have also the how many corner? 4 corner. As you know that the what the corner where the 2 points where the two its sticks are joined. Okay, so it's known as a corners. Superb. Look at the next one. So corner is a clear from here where the two sticks are joined there. Look at there the example of a square. Again, a square have a also like a big one, a small one. The size are the different of the shapes. It's a what is that? It's a chessboard. Ma'am is like which side is your mine? The side of the yellow. So you have a take a brown color. Okay, play it with me. Okay, it's over here a prank and it's a square form. Okay, look at the square form, square shape. The both the sides are equal here. Not the both. All the sides are equal here, and they have a how many corner? Is a one. It's a two. It's a three, and it's a 4. Your notebook also have a 4 corner. When you look at your the notebook now, okay, when you look at your the notebook, they have also the 4 corner. First one is here, okay, where the books are closed, and the next one where you open it, the upper one. It's the last one is the lower one where you turn all the pages where the mention you the pages like a 1, 2, 59, 56. Okay, it's a 59, 56. So that the one the corner and the last one is the another one the corner where your book is bind. Okay, another one example is hanky. Okay, if you look at the hanky, the small size of the hanky which is used by the mamas, so they also have a 4 equal sides, 4 equal sides. We call it a square. If you really want to connect with me, so please like, subscribe, and share if you want with your friends to feel connected with me. And for the further detail of the interesting chapters video, is the structure of a like a without any the sides, without any sides. Okay, it's look like a moon. It's look like a moon or sun. Okay, it's look like a full moon or the full sun. It's a round shape, like a coin. Look at the coin now. So like a coin, it's known as a circle. It's known as a circle. Okay. So what the property of the circle? It is round. It is round and it has a no corner. As we know that because of the corner, we have just the sticker sticks and then join them, and after join them we got it a corners. But here we not use any sticks, so that's why here it not have any corners. It's a round shape. So from a shape, it's a third point of our is a round shape. Example of it, it's a moon, and the next one example is sun. But here also the some example is a clock, which is at your home. If it is a round shape, so it's called a circle. Next one is a coin, which is in your pocket. Next one is a bangle. It's a mother bangle or the mama's bangle. It also looks so round. Okay. Look at the next one point is here. Here we use a how many stick? Anyone have an idea? Yes, definitely you have an idea. It's have a three stick. First one, it's a first stick. It's a second stick, and it's a third stick. How we are just the draw it or the make it? It's a very simple. Take a three stick, as we know that, and arrange them like that. First stick is here, second one stick is attached to the end of the first stick, and after that the both of the ends just attach a last one stick from the first stick's end with the second one end of the end of the second stick. Okay, so after that we got it the corners where the first stick is attached with the another one, as we got the one corner where the first one stick is attached with the second one, we got the second corner, and when where the we attach a first to a it's a second to a third one, we got a third corner. Okay, where the first and the second. Okay, just I'm just a mention here, don't confused. It's a third one, don't worry, don't confuse you here. So where the first and the second stick are attached, we got the first corner. Where the first stick attached with the third stick, we got the second. Okay, just take another color for the corners. Oh, it's okay. We just again draw it. Okay, so take a first stick, again take a second stick, and the end of the both the sticks just draw or attach a third stick. Okay. So first stick, second stick, and it's a third stick, and after that take a how much we corner the when the first stick is joined with the second stick, we got here a first corner. When the second stick is joined with the third stick, we got a second corner, and when the second stick is joined with the third stick, we got a third corner. So how many corner is here? One. It's a number of the corner. It's a two corner and a three corners. Okay. So first of all, we just draw it like that, and they have a three sides. Okay, they have a three sides, one side, two side, and three sides. Okay, they have a how many sides? Okay, tell me how many sides is here? Here are three sides. Okay, and there have a how many corner? They have a three corners. First corner, second corner, third corner. Okay, so this is there the quality. This is there the quality. It's a rough sketch of that the image, and that image is considered as you know that it's a triangle. Your pronunciation is also over there. So here the first point is it has a three sides. It has a three sides. Okay, and next one point is it has a three corners, which we know that it has a three corner. First one corner, second one corner, and a third one corner. Okay, and the three sides. As you know that it's the first side, second side, and the third side. Okay. Hope so it's clear to you. Come on with me as on a next point, which is there the example of it. So here first example of sandwich. If you take the sandwich and cut it with the mid of it, we got it a triangle. Look at here. The first side, second side, and the other base one is the third side. Clear? Okay. And the corner is a one corner and a second corner and a third one corner. Okay. Look at the next one is flag. It's another one example of our flag. Not the our, it's a flag. Okay. Our just the flag of a national flag. It's a tricolor. First corner. Look at here. This is the second corner. It's a third corner. It's a flag. Okay. Yes, I know that. So next one point is about a size. Next one point is our size. Okay. What is the size? Size means which as we already understood before that the page is small and the next one is a long. So that one that we call now a size. Okay. In a junior section, we just know about a small and a long. So that the small and the long is known as a size. Clear? And shapes like a which one? Rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Okay. And also the second is solid shape, but just considered a shape can be of different side size. Different size means difference means as I told to you, it's a not equal or a unlike. It's a unlike. L-I-K-E. It's a U-N and L-I-K. Unlike. Unlike that the means not similar, not equal. It's a not equal. Like a square is in that way is square or in this way both are considered as a square. Okay. Rectangle is like that. That since a big one is the size our rectangle is considered as a like that. Okay, the mama's bangle is like this. We also considered is a shape of circle if it is a coin of the 5 1 or the whatever, so that the coin size is also considered as a circle. That means a shape have a different size, big one or a small one. So a small one is your coin, big one is a mama bangle. Okay, cube is a small size and the cube is a big size. Rectangle is a big size and the rectangle is a small size. So that means a shape have a different size, is doesn't fixed. Okay, it not fixed like a mama's bangle is a always same size. In there the bangles is a different size. Okay, so we got it that the all the point from here, and now we are just move on the another page. Wait, just remove it all. And come on to the next page. Before going to next one page, I just want you have to feel connected with me. So like, subscribe to the channel. Because of that, if you can't do that, you not got all the points from your syllabus, especially from my side. Next one is a identify a shape. We are just identify a shape. How do we identify the shape? Like a first of all, just look at there the cap. Okay, from here it's his cap. Okay, just wait. Uh, it's his cap. It's his cap. See, I don't know what the highlighter will do with me. It's a cap. Okay, it's a cap. And the next one is face. Next one is a face. F-A-C-E, face. Okay, so about a cap and a face. Identify the shape. So on her cap is a how many triangle is? Triangle properties is they have a three corners. They have a how many corners? Three corners and a three sides. Here are two triangle. First one is a yellow and the next one is a red. Sorry for it. I am not able to write that all the word is properly here because of due to my highlighter. Okay. So just remember it with a symbol. So first one is our the outer one is a yellow. It's not again work on here. So first one is a yellow. Just make it, and the next one is a red. Okay, so red. So red and the yellow. Both the two are the the first thing is you thought about that, ma'am. It's not a yellow. Why you use a green pen for it? Because of that, yellow is not the highlighted here. So that's why I have a use the green color. And the both the yellow and the green one is considered as the triangle. So how many triangle is here? It's a two triangle. How many triangle is here? It's a two triangle. Okay, good. And how many square is here? So square is here is a it's a little bit lengthy video, no? So that's why I'm just thinking about that you will like it or not. I don't know, but it goes with the concept. You definitely like it. And if you look at there the length, maybe it's look like a oh ma'am, it's around 60 minutes. how we just put our the concentration on the each slide. But for learn a new concept, you have to do it. Okay. So now we are talking about how many here a square is. The two green color is show the square. So how many square is here? It's a two square. Okay. And the circle is here. It's a one. It's a two and a three. So how many circle is here? It's a three circle. It's a three C. It's a C stand for a circle. Okay. So it's over the concept of there the cap and about there the face is if we are the talking about. So how many is a triangle is here? It's a one triangle and a circle about. So how are his face is look at a round shape. So it's considered as a one circle, one triangle. T is stand for the triangle and again the one the circle. So circle stand as a C. C stand for a circle. Clear? And not any the rectangle and the square in his or her face. Okay, so over here there is a two triangle, two square, and the three circle in his cap. Okay, so like that we are just recognize or the identify the shape in this figure, and if you really wants to practice on it the more, just open your book or just look at the things which is around to you. Okay, over here, come on with me on the next page. And it's a top secret between us. Don't say to anyone. I've already know that how to be identify the shape. Again, keep be quiet and it's a practice time. What I have to practice? You have to practice on a cap. So my cap has a first question is rectangle. So how many rectangle is here? I'm just told to you. Okay, okay. There is a rectangle is the first one where the all the circle, square are draw on it. So how many rectangle is here? It's a one rectangle. Okay. I know that you forget that the concept. It's a short side. It's a long side. Both the long sides and the another one is a short side. So that's why it's considered as a rectangle. So rectangle. How many rectangle is here? Is a one. How many square is here? As we know that the green one, it's a two square. Okay. Next one question is how many triangle is here? As you know, a yellow one, outer one, inner one is a red one. So how many triangle is here? Two. How many circle is over here? It's a three. Very good. Super. Again a practice time on a his face. So first point is rectangle. How many rectangle is here? On his face. Okay. Not look at there the cap. About his face. Okay. About his face. So rectangle is zero. Anyone anywhere look at the rectangle figure? No. So there is no. Square is a anyone anywhere look at the square shape? No. So it's a again zero. Triangle it's yes. Here are his nose. So triangle is one. Circle. Any circle is here? Yes. His face considered as a circle shape. So one circle. Hope so you got it all the point from here. Okay, just look at it about our special day, which is 79 Independence Day, and wish you a very wish you a very 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 happy Independence Day to all of you. Because of that, we have a rights to express our feelings, our thoughts with the words to all over the world. It's a fundamental right of us. So that's why enjoy that the Independence Day. About a flag, okay? The national flag of India, we call it Tiranga. We call it Tiranga, okay? And that the translated version is a tricolor. It's a tricolor, okay? Here are a few points about a flag. First is a saffron color. As I told to you before, a first page on a shape points. So saffron. First color is a denoted as a saffron. So saffron is a impartiality for all the leaders. That is, they have to give up, provides rights with equity and equality to all of citizens. Next one point is white color. That one. Okay, the white color. White color is show the path of truth. That says we have just the always being on our own path. And the last one is a green. Before that, the green one. Just look at that the circle. Okay, look at that the circle which I already draw on a rough sketch. So circle is a wheel. It's a blue wheel. It's a color of that the circle is the blue. So it considered as the blue wheel, which is called the Ashok Chakra. And there have the how many stick is here? That the stick is a 24, and that the stick we all are the say it a spokes. 24 spokes. Okay, what they are the represent? They represent that the law of dharma are the peaceful change. That means we have just the stick always in a motion or in a progress way. Because of that, if you stop at the any place, you can't be learn the anything. And you when you take a single step towards your the direction, you definitely achieve your targets. Last one is a green color, which show our relation to soil. That since we are directly or the indirectly depends on soil for our the root for our raw food materials. Okay, you can't be eat a triple rice without a rice. Okay, you can't be make a rotis or the bread without a wheat. And the last one point from our slogan, national slogan is Satya Mev Jayate. That means truth never ever wants any proof at any rate. That means they never ever wants a proof at any place, at any point, at anywhere. So that's why just follow it. Satya Mev Jayate. Today's session is over here. Hope so you learn something better from this session and enjoy your freedom. And again, happy Independence Day to all of my Junior 1 learners. Thank you to being here. If you really like that the page, that means like my app, like that the all effort. So give you the little one the like for this session. And if you really want to feel connected with me, then subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Okay. Bye bye.